Welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to do a Vegas tutorial on a logo. We're going to make a shiny logo effect. Gives a real cool looking effect, like you see in the very beginning of this video. It works with any logo. This logo is not going to be as dramatic as other logos. It has to be a transparent logo though. It's got to be transparent. So let's drag this to the timeline. If your logo has color in it, it's going to show up a lot better. But this is what I have to work with today, is this chrome. But we'll make the chrome shinier. So let's go to Event Pan and Crop on the first track. So mask. Let's create using the rectangular square mask tool. Let's draw a mask. We'll rotate it a bit. Like both. Put the feather to say about 10. Try 10 first. See what happens. Okay, so that's it for now. Go to VFX, levels. Select brighten. Drag that to the first track. Now the input end, I'm gonna drag mine to around 480. 483, that's good enough. Now go back to Event Pan and Crop. Take a cursor. About here. And now let's drag this across to animate it. And create a keyframe for us as well. So you play it back, looks something like this. It's a little laggy, but once it's rendered, it'll be nice and smooth. So that's all you have to do to create a shiny logo effect in Vegas Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.